What's up guys, Chigz there from Chigz Tech Reviews. So super hyped today as my Realme GT care package has just landed on my desk. It contains the very latest products from Realme. So we have an all black box, Realme GT logos on the top, and on the front it says Dare to Leap. So let's get this box open. You ready for this? Oh man, that's what I'm talking about right there. So we have the brand new Realme GT 5G, which is Realme's very first flagship smartphone powered by the Snapdragon 888 5G chipset. So yeah, I'm super pumped to check this new phone out, and the price is rumored to be around 550 euros. I can't confirm that for sure, no idea what the real price is, but if it is 550, then this on paper might just be the best bang for your buck flagship smartphone you can currently buy. Now we also have the Realme Buds Air 2 and a very interesting device, a 50-watt mini USB-C SuperDart charger. So that does sound pretty powerful, so look forward to testing that out too. But that's not all, people. I've also been sent the latest Realme Watch 2. So we have a whole bunch of goodies to unbox and to share with you guys their respective first looks. Thereafter, I will be following up in a few days with the full reviews for each of these devices. So do smash that like button straight away and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and do hit that notification bell so you can watch my upcoming content as soon as I drop it. So without any further ado, let's get this party started. All right, we are beginning with the main event, so the Realme GT 5G. So I am of course super excited to check this phone out for myself. So we got the 8GB plus 128 variant. Not sure what color it is. We're going to find out together. So here we go. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. And I have to say, I'm actually enjoying the Realme unboxing experiences. So inside this first envelope, we have our SIM eject tool on the back. And we have, of course, a quick start guide and a black clear silicone case. Nice. A USB-C charging cable. And if I just lift up the phone from the box, wow, that is slim, isn't it? All right, let's just take this plastic covering off and let's see what color this is. Wow, I don't even know what you call that. Deep blue sea. That color is beautiful with a two-tone effect going on. That is in fact a glass back. I'll put the phone down on the side right now. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So this is what I was interested in. And this is in fact a 65-watt SuperDart charger, and I believe that's 100% charge in just 35 minutes. And of course I will be doing a charging speed test video, and you can check out that video on my second channel. That's the Chigz channel, and I'll leave the links in the description. So that is the Realme GT unboxed. So here is our first look at the Realme GT. First impressions, it's a very slim smartphone. It feels very premium. Definitely holding a flagship in my hand. We've got glass back, very nice curved design, and you've got this chrome metal finish going all the way around. Now, quick look at the ports: headphone jack, microphone, USB-C, and single speaker. On the side, we've got a power button. And on the other side, you have a volume rocker and your SIM eject tray. So the SIM tray supports dual 5G nano SIM cards. There is no MicroSD card slot. And on the top, you will see a single microphone. A very compact smartphone. We're looking at 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display. That is 120 Hertz. I want to go to settings first of all, go to display, and we're going to check the screen refresh rate. So right now it's set on automatic, so it can automatically select the best refresh rate based on what you're doing or what app you have open. You can set it to standard 60 Hertz to conserve battery power, or you can leave it on constant high, which means 120 Hertz throughout. So the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 888, and you can see ultra smooth, ultra fast, no issues there. We've got the Adreno 660, 8 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and 128 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. There is no microSD card slot. You've got triple cameras on the back, consisting of a 64 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro. And there is a 16 megapixel front camera, hole punch design. Yeah, so full screen display looks bright and beautiful. That's 1000 nits of peak brightness. Screen resolution is Full HD plus. 543 pixels per inch. Very nice, beautiful looking Super AMOLED display. We have an in-display fingerprint sensor, and you can see how fast it is. And we also have a pretty quick face unlock. So of course we have the Realme UI 2.0 with Android 11 underneath, and it feels faster than ever thanks to the Snapdragon 888 chipset. Yeah, so the Realme UI has never felt this fast. This is the most powerful experience you are going to get from a Realme smartphone. And guess what, guys? The Google Play Store is there. So this is the proper EU version. You can see it says Realme in English. So EU version means you get the Google Play Store and all the goodies that come with it. I believe we've seen some reviews in the past with the global version where the Realme writing is in Chinese. So you know this is the version you want. It's got the Google Play Store and it's got all the features that we all love. So 4500 milliamp hour battery, 65 watt fast charging. Everything is going to be tested in this phone. We've got stereo speakers as well, and I absolutely love the color. So Realme GT, full review coming soon. My SIM card's going in this straight away. I am excited for this phone. The price, the features, the specs simply blows my mind. So yeah, full review coming soon. Let's unbox the next product. All right, next on the list, the Realme Buds Air 2. Some of the specs on the back. So we've got active noise cancellation, 25-hour total playback, 88 millisecond super low latency, so great for gaming. We've got 10mm drivers with enhanced bass, transparency mode, and you've got fast charging. So 10-minute charge equals 120 minutes playback. All right, so let's check these out. Realme Buds Air 2, lifting them out of the box. Packaging getting removed. Let's see what else we got in the box for a second. Charger and spare ear tips with user manual in the middle. So here's a bag of spare ear tips to give you that perfect fit. And you've got a yellow colored USB-C charging cable. It's a short cable. So the charging case is made from plastic with a shiny black finish. You've got the Realme logo on the front, nothing on the back. You can see the hinge, and you've got your USB-C charging port at the bottom. If you open the lid, you will see an LED power indicator in the middle. And here are the earbuds themselves. If I lift them straight out, you can see the design, finished in black, nice big 10mm drivers. They're going to give you enhanced bass. You can see the charging pins at the bottom. So 25 hours total battery power with the charging case. So nice looking earbuds. Full details and price information will be in the description box. Let's move on to the next product. The 50 watt USB-C portable dart charger. Now this, I have to see. Dart charging is an incredible technology. Wow, look at the size of this. 50 watt SuperDart charger. So you got your socket on the back, you plug this in, USB-C port at the bottom. So that is the smallest and slimmest 50 watt charger I have ever seen. And this is a SuperDart charger, people. Very impressed with the design. I just want to see, yes, you actually get a long USB-C to USB-C cable included in the box. So I'm going to have to do a full charging test on the second channel, the Chigz channel. So stay tuned for that. So one more product to unbox, which I'm quite excited about. This is the Realme Watch 2. Simple packaging. There is the watch. Let's see what accessories we get. So user manuals and the charger. And it's important to check out the charger when it comes to a smartwatch to see what it's like. So we got a round magnetic USB charger. Awesome. And the smartwatch itself. So here is the first look of the Realme Watch 2. It looks like an all plastic build. We've got health sensors on the back. So all day heart rate sensor and SpO2. We've got removable silicone wrist straps. And I believe that's 22mm. Dare to Leap is on the wrist strap, people. Interesting. So it's actually turning on as we speak. And here is a quick look at the charger. Just stick it on the back, plug that in, and you'll be charged up in no time. So I'm all paired up, and here is the default watch face. So we're looking at a 1.4 inch IPS display. I don't want to give away too much information, but here's a quick skim through all of the apps. So we do have an all-day heart rate sensor, SpO2 monitoring, 90 sports modes built in. There is a 12-day battery life. This supports Android and iOS, and you've got IP68 water resistance. So full reviews coming very soon of all of these devices. So the Realme GT is officially my daily driver right now. I can't wait to test out the cameras. I can't wait to check out gaming, and I can't wait to test out that stainless steel vapor chamber. So a lot of content coming your way for these products across 2 channels. So make sure you are following and subscribed to both channels. All the links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.